Very heavy rain and big thunderstorm in London this afternoon. I don't know if it was expected to be this bad. The weather said rain, but what it's been is just wave after wave of rain mixed in with constant thunder and lightning. Just a huge storm. I've seen this in other countries, but it's quite unusual here, even in the summer, to have this prolonged thunderstorm and this much thunder and lightning. So I wanted to come on and just tell you the messages I'm getting from it. Main thing is full moon yesterday, freedom marches all the way around the world yesterday, all our different meditations that we've been doing. It's working. This is symbolic of that. People coming together have created this force, this huge energy force, and it's being unleashed as weather. Like, wow, this is huge. Do want to say I hope no one's getting flooded. Going into the next week, watch the big shifts that occur. Watch the signs and the news that things are having a huge change in direction. We don't keep doing these protests forever. We don't keep doing these meditations forever. It ends now. This is really pushing it out. So this is symbolic of the floodgates opening and the energies that have been trapped pouring out with this just unstoppable supernatural force. Don't panic or go into fear. Lots of people talking about food shortages at the moment. Don't put your energy into that. Don't worry about that. What I would do, if you are concerned, is just have a week's worth of food. And, most of us have that already. I thought it to myself before, looked at what I had and thought, maybe I'll pick up 2 or 3 extra things from the supermarket, or, go to the pharmacy and get an extra tube of toothpaste or something. It's not something to panic over, but just for your own peace of mind, have a week's worth of stuff ready to go. Okay. What else did I want to say? I'm glad not many people are in aeroplanes in this storm. That's one good thing. I know in my previous video I said July and August is the unraveling, and hearing what so many other people say about what's coming in September, October, November, I was starting to doubt myself, but this is really a sign to me not to. Like I say, watch what comes in over the next week that's brought in by this storm. And it will come in waves, like this storm is, one wave after another of information and situations. So I pulled a card just for any extra messages for the storm and got the Ace of Wands. So this is the message of this storm. It's time for the new. This hand is pushing through the clouds, bringing in the new wand, new growth, new course of action, which will grow. And the full moon, underneath this was the moon, and the full moon that we had yesterday. It's shining a light on what's been hidden, or not necessarily hidden, but what's been hazy. All right. So watch the next week.